let me tell you what is important for people to know about if they ever get arrested for robbery. Robbery is a big charge. First of all, what does robbery mean? I'm going to give you an easy way to remember it. It's not always technically exactly, but pretty much it's when you take something from somebody and you either use force or you use the threat of force. Okay, it could be as much as clenching your fist. It could be as much as pointing your finger under. But it's very serious because a first-degree robbery exposes you to 10 to 20 years. Whereas if a good attorney can get that down to a theft crime, it could be no time in jail. A second-degree robbery, 5 to 10 years. Another important thing to know about a robbery is there's something called NERA, okay? NERA means No Early Release Act. That slaps on with most robberies and assaults because we said once again that a robbery is if you assault someone or if you threaten to assault or you put them in imminent fear that you might threaten them and you take something. That's horrible because NERA means 85%. It means you mandatorily have to do 85% of the time before you're eligible to come out. So on a 10-year sentence, a 10-year flat, you might only do a year and a half and can get out on a flat. But on a NERA, which applies to a robbery, you got to do 8.5 years. That's a big difference. And you're not eligible for different types of ISP programs and other things that could maybe get you out in 90 days. Robbery is a very serious charge. If you get a robbery charge, you should really get consultation with a very good, reputable attorney as soon as possible.